Today we're making pancakes. It's a nice cooking show. The first step for any kitchen renovation is to determine your budget. So today we'll go over a few ideas of how to determine the best budget for your kitchen renovation. Hello, my name is François. Welcome to our E-SPACE. For any kitchen renovation project, the rule of thumb is to invest between 10 and 50% of the value of the house. So example, if you have a house of 300,000, your budget should be between 30,000 and 45,000. The danger of going under 10% is going to have an impact when you want to resell the house. So it's going to take away from the value of your house. On the other hand, going over 15% might be an amount that you won't be able to regain when it's time to sell your house. So the reason we're giving a range of 5% is for many factors. It's going to be influenced by the area and the space of the kitchen. It's going to also be influenced by the choice of material that you're going to have for your cabinets, your counters, and all that. There's also the appliances that will come and influence the budget. The other portion also is that architecturally, what needs to be done in the space. So sometimes you'll need to move a wall, you want a bigger island, you can install a window. So all those will interact and increase the value or not of your renovation. The other main factor to think of is what's your intention in the house? Is it a project for a house that you want to live there for a long time? Is it your dream home? Is it a cottage? Is it a secondary home? So that will have an impact on the investment and it will help you make a decision. To summarize, focus on your intention. Your intention in the house, how long you want to be there, and that will directly influence your budget. Hopefully this tip was useful. To find out more, come and visit us at E-SPACE. My name is François. Thank you for joining us.